Hey guys, welcome back to Kentcarmedia. We've been away for a little while, having a little break, but we're back now. And this is my new project car. So this is a 1994 Mark I Mazda MX-5. It's a little bit crusty in places, like on the bonnet, and it's got lacquer peel and things like that. You know, everything you want in a project. I picked it up very cheap, and it only needed a drop link and a spring that had snapped to get it for an MOT. So it's got 12 months MOT already. I think I'm going to go in a different direction to Rob on his MX-5 though. I'm going to go for a budget build series, either drift car or show car. So let us know down below what you think we should do with it. So this particular car was owned by an old fella. And he sadly passed away and left this in his garage when he died. It's been sat for 9 years because of that, but luckily, because it's been in a garage, it didn't get too damaged. Because this has been sat for so long, we're gonna get it up on axle stands, give it a service. I've got oil filter, and we're gonna check the underneath, see how rusty it really is under there. I'm hoping it's not too bad. I know the seals need doing, they're on their way out, but I'm hoping everything else is pretty solid. So let's crack on, shall we?
First looks at Olly's Mark I then. So the mentioned 1.8, completely stock apart from some mashed up cold air feed and
a toad alarm. We love a toad.
Toad alarm. Love an aftermarket alarm here. So yeah, needs a little bit of love.
It's very oxidised under there, isn't it?
I think is the general consensus.
Je ne sais quoi.
There it is.
Yes. So I've gone for the Fuchs Titan semi-synthetic 10W40.
Right.
So Rob is lovingly clearing all the oil from the subframe that leaks out when we took the filter out, because otherwise that can drop onto the exhaust and cause fires.
Nah, it's the wrong side of the engine, mate, but...
Rob is lovingly...
Speculative. Looks like golden syrup.
It does. That's the sweet, sweet nectar.
Do you reckon it tastes? Put 3 in and then I'll measure it.
I don't know how many that is.
Half.
Half. So we've put about 3 litres in so far. Just going to check.
We didn't see how rusty it was underneath.
On the dipstick. I think we're nearly there.
I woke up last night and had a crazy dream.
You had diarrhea all day.
Oh, you need a new O-ring on this at some point, I reckon.
I was buying a new...
Well, it doesn't have an O-ring. Start.
Starts like a dream. So we're just going to let this get to temperature now. let the oil get around the system, and check it again, top it up if required. So now I'm just going to go and check the dipstick again, make sure that the level hasn't dropped too much. I'd say it needs a little bit more in there personally, but let's have a look. Let's dunk it again. And by the way, 90% of our viewers aren't subscribed, so if you're one of them 90%, could you please subscribe, please? So thanks for watching episode 1 on my new project car. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see what direction we take with this car, please like this video and subscribe. Any suggestions, drop it down in the comments box. We read every comment, so if you want to see something that maybe you want to do to your car and you want us to test it out first, that's fine, just drop a comment and we'll look and see what we can do. So this is going to be a budget build, as opposed to Rob's build, which was very expensive. So yeah, stay tuned for more. The mods are coming thick and fast, starting with a surprise.